Harvest becomes rhythm, repeated hundreds of times.
Water becomes the first purifier.
Clean, clean, sorted, and ready for transformation.
Even the final product is never assumed perfect.
Every journey begins where nature quietly does its work.
Here, timing and care decide everything that follows.
Each apple is handled as a living product, not a commodity. Volume grows, but precision never leaves.
Harvest becomes rhythm, repeated hundreds of times. From soil to system, the transition begins.
Momentum builds, but control remains absolute.
Quality is judged before machines ever touch the fruit.
The apples begin their journey toward transformation.
Distance is short, but responsibility is heavy. Every movement measured to protect the fruit.
Stability ensures survival.
Where scale meets precision. Transition complete. The next phase begins.
Inside these walls, raw harvest meets controlled process.
Order is the foundation of efficiency.
Every apple is now part of the record.
Controlled release prevents damage.
The transformation officially begins. Water becomes the first purifier.
Only fruit moves forward. Surface impurities are stripped away. Mechanical touch, carefully calibrated. Moisture is managed, not ignored. Preparation enables precision. Human judgment still matters.
Uniformity begins to take shape.
Technology sees what eyes might miss.
Clean, clean, sorted, and ready for transformation.
This is the spine of the operation.
Order prepares the fruit for precision. The heart is removed with exact force.
Chemistry protects what time would take.
Balance is carefully restored.
Throughput is never left to chance.
The process now reshapes the fruit. Heat becomes the agent of change.
Temperature is applied with restraint.
Water leaves, structure remains.
Transformation is constantly verified.
Change is locked in place. There Tyche in Nactortus. Heat gives way to control. Uniformity confirms success.
The apple is no longer raw. Now, machines take the lead.
Automation amplifies human intent.
Speed, guided by precision. Every gram is measured.
Machines verify what they create.
Efficiency is constantly recalculated. The final refinements begin. Here, refinement meets consistency. The human eye ensures perfection. Alignment enables precise handling.
Consistency is measured, not guessed.
Readiness is verified before commitment. Precision arms extend human intent.
The product is now ready to be enclosed.
Even the final product is never assumed perfect.
Testing confirms both safety and quality. Every detail is scrutinized. Traceability completes quality assurance. The final journey begins on steady conveyors.
Storage becomes organized and accessible. Every item accounted for.
Order and timing meet transport.
The journey continues beyond the walls. The factory's work reaches the outside world. From orchard to dispatch, every step is connected.
And this is how modern factories produce apples from start to finish.